Long ago, there was an old woman, Elizabeth, who lived with her granddaughter Mealy. Mealy's parents had died when she was 4. Elizabeth raised her alone. She made clay toys to earn a living. Now, Mealy was grown and very beautiful. Elizabeth wanted her to marry a good man. Elizabeth was too old. So Mealy started making toys and selling them in the village. One morning, Mealy set up her stall in the village market. She arranged her toys carefully. A poor orphan boy, Robert, was staring at them. Mealy called,
"Which toy do you like, Robert?"
Robert hesitated.
I have no money.
Mealy smiled.
"No worry, take one."
Robert pointed at a horse. Mealy handed it to him.
Thanks, sis.
Robert said happily and ran away. One morning, after breakfast, Mealy put the toys in her basket and got ready.
"Grandma, I am going to the capital."
Elizabeth smiled.
God bless you, my dear.
Mealy sold many toys in the capital. On her way back, she saw a huge crowd. She asked a woman,
"Why are all these people here?"
The woman said,
"The king is about to pass by."
Mealy gasped.
"Oh, I never saw the king."
She stayed quietly as the king passed. She admired him.
"How handsome he is."
That night, lying on the floor, she whispered,
"He's a king. How can I think of him?"
She turned restlessly on the floor. Elizabeth, who was lying beside her, asked,
My dear, you didn't sleep yet?
Mealy spoke.
"Grandma, no. I was just thinking what new toys I should make tomorrow. Maybe more horses or dolls for the little girls."
Elizabeth patted her head.
Sleep now.
Mealy closed her eyes. One evening, a boy, Jack, came to her stall.
I want to marry you.
Mealy shook her head.
"No, I don't want to."
Jack smiled.
If not me, a prince will come for you.
Mealy said firmly.
"This isn't your matter."
Jack left disappointed. One day, Mealy went to the capital with her toys. On the way she thought,
"I should go to the palace. Maybe I can see the king."
She reached there and stood under a big tree in front of the palace. Her heart waited, eyes fixed on the balcony. But the king did not appear. Mealy sighed and held her basket of toys. Then she turned back. Just then, she saw an old woman faint. Mealy hurried to her, gave her water, and asked softly,
"Mother, what happened?"
The woman said slowly,
"I haven't eaten anything."
Mealy's heart melted. She opened her basket and shared her food with her. At that moment, the king stepped out onto the balcony. He saw everything. A smile touched his face. He ordered a guard to bring Mealy. The guard brought her.
Who are you?
The king asked.
I am Mealy. I live in a nearby village and sell toys.
She said. The king said.
Why give her your food?
Mealy smiled.
We should care for everyone. Your Majesty.
After that, Mealy left with her basket, her heart beating fast. Later, while sitting with his ministers, he remembered how she fed the old woman. Slowly, a smile appeared on his lips. One morning, he came to the village in simple clothes. Mealy was selling toys. He picked one.
You make beautiful toys.
Mealy was surprised. The king smiled.
Will you marry me?
Mealy's cheeks turned red.
My heart already belongs to you. How I can say no?
Both smiled gently.